just stepped up in Las Vegas for the Alibaba CoCreate event. We're gonna go downstairs, check out some booths, check out some keynote speakers, and see what information we can learn. Come along, let's go check it out. I'm learning things here at CoCreate that I never thought Alibaba.com even had in store. I just listened to the panel on how AI is gonna take over business in the next couple of years, and I learned so many awesome ways on how to improve my Amazon products and business with the use of AI.
Everybody in your company should get a ChatGPT $20 a month account tomorrow.
Instead of hiring photographers, creating all these lifestyle images, all the time and money that goes into studio, setting up all these people to do the photos for you, videographers, the huge cost that goes into all that can all be mitigated by using tools like Midjourney, which are actually able to create mock-up designs, and even Firefly by Adobe. You can use these image generation AI tools to create your product designs without even having people to come in and do this for you in person. And these AI images come out looking as good or better in some cases than if you actually paid for a full photo shoot. So what Midjourney is actually able to do is generate images based on text that you give it.
This is not something you can put back in the bottle.
So one of the keynote speakers actually mentioned a really cool thing where she was trying to find a design for these clutch purses that all these girls are getting right now. It's a super trending product. And she just went online to Google and typed in trending designs for clutch purses.
Using a tool like Midjourney is that they aren't sure how to prompt.
So she found a few articles, copied the text in the articles, put it in a ChatGPT, and she told ChatGPT to summarize those articles and find the key points about the design, the texture, the styles, whatever information she needed from those. And Midjourney uses that text to actually create images based on what you wanted. And that's a really cool way to get new design ideas for your products that you can later send to your suppliers and see if they can customize and create that for you.
Everything is going to change about the way we source, about the way we work with our manufacturers, about the way we design and develop products.
Now the next hurdle is to see what the cost is going to be for your manufacturers to customize these designs for you. Now it will cost a little bit more up front, but if you've done the research and you see you're going to stand out with your product, you're essentially going to be building a moat around your product, which is going to be so much harder for competitors to jump in and try and copy what you're doing, especially if you've created a design that you can later patent and then no one can jump on your product design. Brandon Young was another keynote speaker on the AI discussion we heard here today at Alibaba.com's CoCreate event, and he talked about a software he's developing that is later in the next 1 to 2 years going to be able to, with 100% AI power, be able to validate products, design the product, order the product from Alibaba.com without you even having to do anything.
We are moving into a digital age that is faster than we can imagine.
Of course, you're going to want to make sure the price is going to fit within your budget and give you the profit margin you want to have on it, which AI can probably do all the negotiating with your suppliers for you. It's also going to create automated image AI generated content, and the AI is going to be able to help launch your product with the use of Amazon pay-per-click advertising. It's going to be able to change the bids on each keyword that you're trying to advertise on with the discretion of the AI. But that's what we're talking about in the next 1 to 2 years. AI is going to be able to pretty much handle the start to finish inception of your product to full-on launch of your product on websites like Amazon, Shopify, anywhere else that you so desire. So I'm definitely going to go jump back in and see what else I can pick up at this conference.
When your order is covered by trade assurance, you can be assured that it will be secure, delivered on time, and meet the agreed upon terms. If unexpected issues arise, such as breaches in product quality, delivery times, or any other contractual terms, you will get support from the Alibaba.com team to reach a satisfactory resolution, including issuing refunds or compensation.
peak buying times during the peak season. The first is mid-October. It's actually surrounded by Amazon's second Prime Day. The second is Cyber 5, as we like to call it. So it's Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Cyber Monday. Significant buying times for peak seasons.
If you're thinking about running an online business, there's one investment you need to make, and it's saved me a ton of headaches as I've ran into a lot of different scams and weird things in the past. What I got for literally $2 a month is a VPN. I use Surfshark and it hides my computer's IP address, and this is so important whether you're building an online Amazon business, especially in cryptocurrency, even to buy different crypto on other exchanges that aren't available in the United States. I've been able to change my IP address on my computer to mimic to look like I'm in Finland or something like that, and I can actually gain access to these other crypto exchanges. You can also even log in and watch movies that aren't available in certain countries. If you live around the world and you're trying to watch something in the US, you can turn on the VPN so that you're in the United States. I can't stress how important it is to get a VPN, and if you've watched any other YouTube videos, you've probably seen people promoting VPNs because they're that crucial to your safety and online presence.
Melissa, I love you!
My name is Melissa, and I started with e-commerce about 7 years ago, and basically started in the consumable space. I've started multiple beauty brands, supplement brands.
And as the CEO, as an entrepreneur, you have to prioritize those things that you love, because this is where your energy sparkles. This is where you are at your best.
The customer happiness representative, that was me. So like the CEO was answering to all of these customers, but I learned so much from actually doing that grunt work, because you talk to the customer, right? You're going to figure out what's going on.
Perfluence, something like that.
Perfluence?
Yeah. I give a photo to AI and tell AI what to do with the photo, and it would do a very nice thumbnail. Another thing, scripting. AI can generate it. Just be careful. ChatGPT is not the best tool. There's Perplexity AI. It's good for doing research because it lists all the sources. ChatGPT will just throw information at you, and that it might not be 100% true. Descript is another cool app that clones your voice. So all of the podcasts, just imagine, the script can be generated by Perplexity, read by Descript, and an AI generated thumbnail. You don't have to be there. Like, my goal is to clone myself. And in 2 years, I will be the producer of my content. I will tell my AI version what to talk about. And I feel like
It sounds funny now, but
but this is where I feel that this is where it's all headed.
The Amazon world, we're familiar that the name of the game is SEO, indexing for the right keywords. So we can use tools like Branding Navigator, use data guides to find out which keywords to target. We'll basically copy and paste all of those keywords into ChatGPT and ask it to write me a product description or bullet points and integrate these keywords throughout. And it does about, I'd say, 80–90% of the work. And then obviously you have to go in and you can comb through it, but you can also, make it funny, give it a voice. Before, when we first started out, we actually hired Medium to write all of our stuff, so we thought that that was, an interesting way to give your brand a voice. Overnight, we were seeing, a lot more opens, basically a lot of clickbait, and by using ChatGPT now, I can ask it to write me 30 headlines for an email to send out to my audience and make it, fun. Write me a caption that sounds like Chris D'Elia. You can actually name famous comedians, and it'll write it in your voice, which is crazy. It's amazing.
Well, just challenge yourself. And anything that you think you maybe can't do, you probably can do. You are underestimating yourself this minute. For sure, guaranteed, every single one of you in this room, including myself and everybody here on stage, we are doing far less than we are capable of. Okay? We were brought here by a higher power for whatever you think, whatever you believe in.
I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're looking to take some next steps and actually get started building your own Amazon business, I recommend checking the link below to get my full Amazon course. I will have a free mini course down there with only 9 videos giving you the basics, but the full course is literally 9 hours long. It covers every little bit that you need to know. It's broken down into bite-sized videos that are easy to digest, and it also comes with my mentorship where we can jump on Zoom calls, where I can help you find and source your products so that the chance of success you have out the gate is so much higher than if you've tried this on your own. There's a lot of other courses out there, but these guys don't give you the real mentorship. I guarantee and stand by my reputation to give you the best help I possibly can. And that's how my word gets spread around organically through referrals. And I just want to make you part of the team and make you my next success story. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.